Hello, today I'm comparing this $3 multi-tool with two name brand ones. This is called Atisen multifunction pliers. Comes from AliExpress and cost me about $3. Let's see what it has to offer. In terms of price, this is about $3. This is $20–30, and this is $49. The construction is clearly influenced by the Leatherman products. It has a ruler and pretty much a very similar construction. The size is very comparable to these alternate tools, especially the length, and if we look at thickness, it's a bit thicker than the Leatherman Micra and a bit thinner than the Gerber dime. Still is pretty small. You have about less than 2.5 inches length, and in the width it's about ½ inch, let's call it. In terms of weight, this is in between the Micra and the dime. The Micra is about 49 grams. This is about 60 grams. And the dime is about 67 grams. The main tool is the pliers. Let's see if it can bend some wire. Yes, it can. This is a wire from Gerber freight. As for cutting wire, I don't know if I'm too sure about the cutters, but let's try it. I guess it did. Question is, did it get damaged? Don't think so. Looks like it survived pretty well. The size of the pliers is comparable to the Gerber dime. Opens almost a little bit bigger, I would say, and it has a tiny bit more length from the pivot to the end. That may explain why it opens bigger. Let's check out the other tools. Here's something a bit funny. This accessory is listed as a can opener, and it really looks like one. This other accessory is also listed as a can opener. This looks more like a small owl to me. I guess technically you could poke a can repeatedly and open it, but it's most likely a typo. The scissors are very small. I think they're okay for some small tasks like cutting paper or a thread, fixing something very quick. Now for screwdrivers, it has 3 of them, a large and small flathead and a Phillips. Let's try them out. Not too bad. Here's a Phillips screwdriver. Here's the file. It's not cut too deep. I think this will do for nails and such. In a way, reminds me a bit of the Gerber dime file. This is the blade. It has a similar size as the blade in the Leatherman Micra. A little bigger maybe than the one in the Gerber dime. Would it cut a piece of rope? Yes. Other thing it has is this little hook to keep it from opening when it's folded. The ruler in centimeters seems to be a little bit off. The ruler in inches also, so it's very approximate, not to use as a precision instrument. And another thing to note is it comes with this pouch. It has Velcro and a belt loop. In summary, I didn't have very high expectations for this product, but it's very compact and has some functionality. So I think it has a place in the world of multi-tools. Now imagine if Leatherman made a version of these and call it the mini PST. I think people would buy it. Thank you for watching.